Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, first thing is let's go up to the daily time frame because there's a few options here. On the daily, this still could be a wave A. This still could be all corrective sideways for a wave B. There's still a chance that this turns up and makes an uptrend for a C, and this is all an A, B, C, or B. But this is my bullish analysis. Now, my bearish analysis definitely has not been invalidated yet because there's no break of structure up or high or low. And this definitely still could keep on drifting down to make a wave C. So this would already be the A, this would already be the B, and we're already in a wave C, and then eventually it continues the uptrend. So we do have two different scenarios, two different directions, which is very common. Now taking it back to the 1 hour time frame, we need to keep that in mind so that we have impulsive up, either wave A or wave 1. We have corrective down, either wave B or wave 2. I was saying yesterday that this actually might stretch out into a bigger crescent like this also, because it would make more sense for this to be an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. And then eventually we should go up and either make a wave 3 or a wave C. If it's a wave C, then it will go to a Fibonacci retracement level of this whole last push down, maybe the 61 or the 78%. Then it will turn down and continue the higher time frame downtrend. If it's a wave 3, then it still may bounce from fib levels, but it will not give you a break of structure, and it'll just keep on making impulsive movements up, making higher highs and higher lows. So you can definitely tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C if you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to your fib levels, and understand especially the Fibonacci extension levels for a wave 3 and a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.